There is a new AI-based online method that is helping people in the United States earn money in 2025. This method does not require any special skills, degrees, or previous online experience. You only need a phone or laptop with internet access to get started. If you are searching for a realistic side hustle, this is something you should pay attention to. Welcome back to Side Hustle Nation, where we focus on simple and real ways to make money online. This channel is all about beginner-friendly ideas that actually work in the US market. Today's method is trending. Easy to start or time. Make sure you stay till the end to understand how to maximize your earnings. AI tools are becoming extremely popular in 2025 because businesses want fast results. Companies prefer automation instead of hiring full-time workers. This shift has created new opportunities for freelancers and beginners. Tatiwiebig Swigly. The AI website used in this method helps rewrite and improve text. Businesses use it to make their content original and professional. Instead of doing the work themselves, they pay freelancers to handle it. Your role is simply to use the AI tool and deliver clean content. Businesses are willing to pay because fresh content performs better online. Search engines prefer original and updated text. Companies want to avoid plagiarism and SEO problems. Hiring freelancers is the easiest solution for them. Beginners usually earn between $50 and $80 per day with this method. As you gain confidence, reaching $100 to $150 daily becomes possible. Some freelancers even earn more with repeat clients. Your income depends on how consistent you are. Getting started is very simple and beginner-friendly. You create a free account on the AI platform using your email. No credit card is required at the start. The friginners Onslagedin de understand. You will see tools for rewriting and improving content. Each tool works within seconds. This saves a lot of time. You do not earn money directly from the AI website. Instead, you use it to complete paid work for clients. Freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are perfect for this. They already have buyers searching every day. Creating your first gig is very easy. You can offer services like rewriting or improving content with AI. Keep your description simple and professional. This helps build trust with you as clients. At the beginning, you should keep your prices low. Charging $10 to $20 helps you get your first reviews. Reviews are more important than high prices early on. Once you get reviews, you can raise your rates. When a client sends content, you paste it into the AI tool. The AI generates a new version within seconds. You quickly review it for grammar and clarity, then you deliver it to the client. This method is perfect for beginners because AI does most of the work. You do not need to be a professional writer. Your main job is checking and formatting. Anyone can learn this quickly. Most tasks take only 5 to 15 minutes. This allows you to complete many orders in one day. Completing more orders means higher income. That is how people reach $150 daily. Once you gain experience, you can scale your earnings. You can increase prices and offer faster delivery. You can also sell larger content packages. These small upgrades boost income fast. US clients love speed and reliability. They care about results more than the process. AI helps you deliver fast and clean work. This leads to repeat clients. Always review AI content before submitting it. Small mistakes can affect your ratings. Clear communication is also very important. Professional behavior helps you grow faster. You can also offer monthly services to businesses. Many companies need regular content updates. Muy clients prebebanken. This turns on earming. AI freelancing is not a short-term trend. Businesses will always need content support. AI tools will continue to improve. Starting now gives you a strong advantage. You do not need to be perfect to begin. You only need to take action. Many people are already earning with this method. There is no reason you cannot do the same. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe to Side Hustle Nation. New money-making videos are posted regularly. Comment next if you want tomorrow's script. I'll see you in the next video.